G'day, this is Paul, VK5 Papa Alpha Sierra, and this is the second part, the second video in relation to PSK 31 and applying for awards through the European Phase Shift Keying Club, or the EPC. In the first video we talked about the EPC's website and the fact that you had to download certain software to be able to access EPC awards. We spoke before about the software being Ultimate Award Management Software, which you're required to download. And this is the software. So once you click on the Ultimate AAC icon that you can download and put on your desktop, this is a screen which comes up. You get a variety of different clubs that you're able to access here. The EPC, the Digital Modes Club, the Croatian Digital Group, the Natal Digital Group, and the Belgium Digital Modes Club. And today we're going to download a ADIF file from my log, which I've saved on the desktop here, into the EPC Club database here using the Ultimate AAC software. The Ultimate AAC software was designed by Heinz, Delta Kilo 5 Uniform Romeo from Germany. So the first thing we need to do is click on the EPC logo. This is on the welcome screen for the Ultimate Award Application Centre, as you can see. Okay, so clicking on the EPC logo, we're now able to upload an ADIF file. And if we go to the second option here and click on Open, and you'll see that it's compatible with Mac or Apple, and you're able to upload a number of different options here, either an ADIF file, a rumlog file, or direct from your Maclogger DX, which is the program I run also, or Ether, which is another great logging program for Mac users. Now this time we're going to upload an ADIF file. So if I click on ADIF, I've saved my particular ADIF file here today in my amateur radio file, and in there I have a EPC file, and within the EPC file there's my latest upload that I'd like to get onto the system, EPC2 upload ADIF. So we've now opened that up and you can see it's actually uploading to the site here, and this is a summary that's now come up. It's been successfully uploaded onto the system, and you can see that we have a summary here. Down on the left hand side here are all of the EPC awards that you're able to obtain or apply for, and you can see all of my totals. It keeps a neat little record as to your progress for the EPC awards. Okay, so from the summary, if you want to, you can print that out. You can go and view your ADIF file that you've just downloaded. So from the summary and ADIF sections, you can then move through all of the awards that are offered by the EPC. So if we start off with the Country Awards number 1, click on that, and you'll see that just below that you have 5 different options here for 5 different awards that are offered by the EPC. The first one is the BEPA, or the Belgium PSK Awards. So you can see here for me that in the last download, these were the results for the BEPA award, and it keeps a tally. You can then move to the next option here, CZPA, obviously from the Czech Republic and the Czech PSK award series. We can then move to the EPCRU, which is a Russian series of awards, España, obviously from Spain, FRPA from France. So for each section there, it shows you on your last download the number of contacts that qualified for that award. If you want to see a particular series of rules for that award, for example the FRPA, you can simply click on Award Rules and it will go to the European PSK Club's homepage. Simply scroll down and there we have it. The French PSK Award Series, all of the information pertaining to that particular award. And it'll even provide you some examples of the FRPA, the French Phase Shift Keying Award Series. Okay, so if we go back and perhaps look at the BEPA, again down to Award Rules, and it will take us to the EPC's homepage. Again, if we scroll down here past the information relating to the EPSK 63 contest for 2013 and the EPC's commemorative coin, you will always see those first two there on the page. Here we have the BEPA, the Belgian PSK Awards, and again some examples. All of the information that you require there to obtain any of the Belgian BEPA awards. Moving on to Country Awards 2. Again, you have a number of different options here. If you want to check on the award rules, same process. Down to Award Rules, it will take you to the PSK website again. Simply scroll down and there we have all the information relating to the NLPA or the Dutch PSK Award Series. Some of the other features here of Ultimate AAC is this function here. If you click on My Awards, and it'll bring up all of your awards that have been issued, or in my case not issued. So if we scroll down, you should see some areas here of the Receive section highlighted. Here you can see the MWCA, which is the Most Wanted Croatians Award, and you can see that I've received 33.33% of the MWCA award. If I click on it, you can see that I've received part of the MWCA award. In this case, the WACPA award, 15.38% of the WACPA award I've received. Again, if I click on that highlighted section, you can see that my status as far as this award is concerned is that I've received the award on 20 metres. You can see the EPC logo here. And if I click on that, I can toggle between the EPC, the BDM, the CDG, DMC and NDG awards. Perhaps you've got some queries relating to certain awards. You can click on the lifeline icon here and you can find a whole lot of good different contacts for a variety of the different awards. You can see here the person's responsible for each particular award that you're interested in. By clicking on the call sign, it'll automatically open up your email and you can type away and send your query to the relevant person. There are also a number of different links here to take you back to various websites. As you can see, the EPC all the way through to the BDM. The information icon simply tells you all about this latest version of Ultimate AAC. If you click on the smiley face icon, this is for you to make a donation for Ultimate AAC. You have an exit or a log out button here to exit the Ultimate AAC software. There's also a user's data icon here, and by clicking on the user's data icon you come to this screen here. You can see call sign, your name, format at the moment in which you're downloading items. In my case here, PDF is clicked. If you prefer JPEG, you can simply click on that. You also have an option here of placing in your EPC member number, your CDG number, DMC number, as you can see, of which I'm a member also, the Digital Modes Club, your NDG number or your BDM number. So how do you actually obtain your EPC award certificates? Well, if you recall from the last video, you need to be on the EPC Members Centre page. With EPC awards, they're not actually downloaded via Ultimate AAC, but rather you need to go to the EPC Members Centre page, log in, and then go to Certificates, EPC Awards. And if you recall from the last video, if you have any new EPC awards to download, you'll see a new EPC icon in this area here. Select the award you wish to download, select the format, PDF or JPEG, and press submit, and your award will be downloaded. You can then save to your desktop or print out to hang on the shack wall. It's as simple as that. I do recommend that you join the EPSK's Google group. This is the home page for the EPSK Google group, and you just simply apply online as you would with any other Google group for permission to access this page. Once you've applied for subscription to the EPSK Google group, you'll receive an email, something similar to this, showing that your subscription to the EPSK was approved. You can then just simply click on Visit this group and go to the Google group site. The great site is bpsk31.com. bpsk31.com was launched by Jacob Gillespie, Kilo Delta 5 Tango Echo November in 2007 to provide a community resource all about PSK 31. You can see here, this is the home page. There's a PSK 31 guide. Tells you all about the brief history of PSK 31, how PSK 31 works, what the B stands for in BPSK 31, and how to set up a BPSK 31 station, sound card interfaces, PSK 31 operation, and a whole heap more information. Also helpful here is some information regarding your conversations on BPSK 31. Great for any newcomer to the exciting digital mode of BPSK 31 such as me. There's also a discussion list on the site. So here we have the bpsk.com discussion list, and you can join the group to post, become a member on Google, and you can then interact with a variety of other PSK 31 operators, hopefully to solve some of your queries you may have on the digital mode of PSK 31. There's also some information on contests, various applications, including DigiPan, which is what I'm using at the moment. You can also contact Jacob. There's a contact form here for you to email Jacob with any queries that he may be able to assist you with. And finally, there's a section about bpsk31.com, which tells you all about version 4 of EPSK31.com. The EPC operates an extensive award system with over 400 awards available, and some of those are very, very easy to obtain, some others extremely difficult to achieve. So why not join the EPC? It's free, it's a great club to be a member of, and it offers some fantastic awards. I might say that the EPC awards are some of the most colourful and decorative awards that I've seen for a while. The beauty of it is applying for all of your awards online and getting them almost instantaneously. Considering the EPC is a volunteer organisation, the awards come back extremely quickly from the database. The beauty of receiving the awards online is that they're there for you, available immediately to either download in JPEG or PDF format, save on your hard drive, or print out and put on the shack wall. So I hope you found that of some interest and of some help to you. I must say that I have had some difficulty in finding definitive instructions for the use of the Ultimate AAC software. But I'm sure if you have a little bit of a play with the system as I have done, you'll work yourself around the software, no problems at all. 7-3 for now from Paul, VK5 Papa Alpha Sierra.